Bring nature to your garden with artificial waterfall ideas. This video provides an overview of artificial waterfall ideas for gardens. It discusses the advantages of artificial waterfalls, the different types of designs available, and how to create a beautiful and unique artificial waterfall in your garden. It also provides tips and advice on how to maintain and care for your artificial waterfall. What are the benefits of having an artificial waterfall in the garden? Aesthetic appeal. An artificial waterfall can add a beautiful and calming element to any garden. The sound of the water cascading down the rocks can be very soothing and can create a peaceful atmosphere. Low maintenance. Artificial waterfalls require very little maintenance compared to a natural waterfall. They are easy to install and require minimal upkeep. Versatility. Artificial waterfalls can be customized to fit any size or shape of garden. They can also be designed to fit any budget. Attract wildlife. An artificial waterfall can attract birds, butterflies, and other wildlife to your garden. This can be a great way to add some life and color to your garden. Increased property value. An artificial waterfall can add value to your property and increase its curb appeal. What are the different types of artificial waterfalls available? The different types of artificial waterfalls available include prefabricated waterfalls. These are pre-made waterfalls that can be purchased and installed in a garden or other outdoor space. They come in a variety of sizes and styles, and can be made from a variety of materials such as fiberglass, concrete, and plastic. Wall-mounted waterfalls. These waterfalls are mounted directly onto a wall, and are often used as a decorative feature. They can be made from a variety of materials, including stone, metal, and glass. Spillway waterfalls. These waterfalls are designed to be placed at the edge of a pond or other body of water, and are used to create a cascading effect. They can be made from a variety of materials, including stone, concrete, and plastic. Pondless waterfalls. These waterfalls are designed to be placed in a garden or other outdoor space without the need for a pond or other body of water. They are usually made from a variety of materials, including stone, concrete, and plastic. What are the materials used to construct an artificial waterfall? The materials used to construct an artificial waterfall vary depending on the design and size of the waterfall. Common materials used include rocks, stones, concrete, fiberglass, plastic, metal, and wood. Depending on the design, other materials such as pumps, filters, and lighting may also be needed. What are the maintenance requirements for an artificial waterfall? The maintenance requirements for an artificial waterfall will depend on the type of waterfall and the materials used to construct it. Generally, the following maintenance tasks should be performed. Clean the waterfall regularly to remove any debris or buildup of algae. Check the water level and adjust it as needed. Check the pump and filter system to ensure it is functioning properly. Inspect the waterfall for any signs of wear and tear and repair or replace any damaged parts.